Hi, boys and girls. We are continuing our lesson about adding tens to any number. And this day is one of our practice days. So I have a little warm up. I'm going to walk you through it. This is find 20 plus 34. So this is kind of a review of what we've been working on. So we have 20 and 34, and 20 is just made up of tens, but 34 has tens and ones. And we want to group our tens together because it's easier to count that way. So 34 can be broken into 30, was curious if you knew, and 4. And then we can add our tens here. So we have 20 plus our 30. And we can think about this in tens instead of thinking about it in 20. So 20 is the same as 2 tens. 30 is the same as 3 tens. So total we have 5 tens. And 5 tens is 50. And if you're not sure, hold up 5 fingers. We're going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5 tens is worth 50. So we have 50 here. And then we can't forget about these ones over here. So we have to bring our 50 down. We have 50 after we've grouped our tens together, and we need to go back and add our 4 extra ones. And 50 and 4 make 54. So back to our original problem, 20 plus 34, we got 54 after we added our tens and then our ones. Today, we will be working on pages 631 to 632. So please turn to 631 so that you're with me and ready to go. Here is our example. So we have 10 blue marbles and 19 green marbles. And you can see that in the picture here. Here's a 10, here's our 19. And I know this is 19 because it has a 10 and 9 ones. The question that we're trying to answer is how many marbles in all? So just like we've been learning, we are going to add our tens together first. So we have 1 10 and 1 10, 1 10, 1 10, 2 tens makes 20, and they filled that in for us. And then we need to go back and add these extra ones here. So then once we have 20, we add 9 more because of these extra ones, and 20 and 9 make 29. So back to our original problem, 10 plus 19. After we grouped our tens and then added our extra ones, we got 29. So 10 and 19 make 29. There are 29 marbles total. Repeat after me. Add your tens or group your tens, then add your extra ones. And that's how many there is altogether. Here's your first problem. I'm going to go through these with you, so I want you to press pause as we go. And we have the problem 52 plus 20. And there's a picture here. You can see 52, 5 tens, 2 ones, and then you can see 20, 2 tens. We're going to group our tens or add our tens together first. So they did it for us, 50 and 20. 5 tens plus 2 tens. 5 tens plus 2 tens is that? 7 tens, which is the same as 70. Okay. Now we have 70, so we bring our 70 down right here, and we need to make sure we add these extra ones. So 70 and 2 make 72. So we started with the problem 52 plus 20. We grouped our tens, added our extra ones, and we got the answer 72. Now on this one, they want you to break up one of your numbers in a number bond. So it says 20 black cars and 32 white cars. What is the total number of cars? And I want you to think about, why are they having you break up 32 and they're not having you break up 20? Why are they doing that? It's because in 32, you have tens and you have some extra ones. 20 is just made up of tens. There's 0 ones. There's 0 extra ones. So we're going to break up 32 so we can group our tens together. So you'll want to fill in how many extra ones are here in 32. And then you can add, just like on the other ones, your 20 plus your 30. Figure out how many that is. Bring that down and then add your extra ones to the number of tens you get. Okay, that will tell you how many cars total. So go ahead and press pause and do that now. Here's your third problem. 29 small ants and 30 big ants. How many ants are there? What is wrong? So this is someone's work to solve this problem. So we had 29 small ants and we had 30 big ants. So let's take a look at what they have. And I'm going to circle these so that 29 small, 30 big. And here's what they did. They added 20 and 9. Do you know where they got those from? They just broke up 29, right? Into 20 and 9. That equals 29. So I see where they got the 20 and the 9 from. So that makes sense to me. What about this 3? They're adding 29, 29, and 3. Why are they adding 3? They're thinking 3 tens, but really this should say 30 because 3 is different than 30. And we needed to add 30 ants, not 3 ants. So now we can do 20, and we're going to group our tens together. So I'm going to add my 30, and I still need to add my 9 extra ones. So it should look like this. Go ahead and solve that now. Press pause. Your problem number 4. 25 blue butterflies and 50 brown butterflies. How many butterflies in all? And I want you to think about, why are they having you break up 25 and not 50? So we know that there's 25 blue butterflies, 50 brown. We want to know how many in all. We got to break up 25 because 25 has extra ones. And we first want to group our tens together. So you can break up 25 into 20 and 5. You can also use our place value chart. This is one of my favorite tools. So tens and ones, I know that there's 50. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There's 5 tens. And then 25 is made up of 2 tens and 5 ones. So I can just group my tens together on this side. But you can see I have my 50 here, and you can see I have my 25 here. But now it's nice and easy for me to count my tens. So add up your tens, add the extra ones, and then write down your answer right over here. Blank equals 25 plus 50. How many butterflies are there in all? And now it is time for your exit ticket, and you will have a Google form for your exit ticket that looks like this. Make sure you do your number, your name. Watch this video because I'm going to tell you how to do the exit ticket. Answer the question here, and then tell me what strategy you used, or if you used more than one, because sometimes we use more than one to check our work. So how did you solve this problem up here? And please use your math tools. And you can use your whiteboard and draw whatever you need to do. And then tell me how you feel about it.